Hi, I hope you're having a great day, and I just wanted to share something with you and celebrate a bit. Now, you're obviously on this channel because you're trying to learn more about supply chain and logistics. Maybe you're working in the field, maybe you're studying, which is really cool. But if you notice, I'm making this video at the time that we've just hit 10,000 subscribers. And we've done that in a very short space of time, so thank you. And to celebrate that milestone, I would like to make a special offer to everybody on the channel. Now, I don't think I've ever spoken about this on the channel before, which is a bit weird, because the Supply Chain Secrets channel is actually named after an education program that I started many years ago called Supply Chain Secrets. And what I've done is that education program, I'll explain it in a minute, it's got loads and loads of stuff in it, but it's a program where it's full of all this online learning material. The price has been $800, and we've slashed it to celebrate our 10,000 subscriber milestone to just $150. And there's a payment plan as well, and there's even a free trial. So let me tell you what's in that online education program. So as I said, it's been around for a while, and we started off, there was a whole bunch of e-classes in it. That's up now to 105 e-classes covering every aspect of supply chain. Not sure whether you're aware, but I've written a few books on supply chain. I've actually written 5 books on supply chain. They are all in there in downloadable format, and each of those books comes with some bonus guides and videos. In there also we have loads of our live conferences that we've videoed. We've got loads of webinars that we've recorded. There is just a heap of material in there, and I thought this is just a bit weird because I've never actually told you guys on the channel about it. So I'll put a link below. Do jump down and have a look. If you're really serious about learning more about supply chain, grab that opportunity. Like I say, it's down $150. I think we've got a payment plan over 4 months, and there's even a free trial, so you can jump in and have a go at it. So yeah, just to celebrate 10,000 subscribers, why not? And we might leave it up there for a while. So thank you for being on the channel, and that's just a little bit of a bonus for our channel subscribers. See you soon.